Before you begin to install adMission, you must first turn it on in the Awin UI in the Publisher Master Tag section. To do this, simply click the slider and adjust the settings by pressing the cog. adMission will only be activated when a link from the monetized domains list appears on the page. You can add as many domains here as you like. You can choose a suffix to append to a link from a monetized domain, and you can choose whether to show the disclosure message or not. You can also automatically add the rel equals sponsored SEO attribute. To correctly install adMission onto your WordPress site, you need to enter a piece of code into one of your template files. The code can be found above this video. You will also need to enter the disclosure text you would like to be displayed into the code snippet. The next step can be a little bit of trial and error in order to find the right spot for the disclaimer on your site. It is important to note that regulations differ according to region. In this example, I have made the disclaimer appear at the very top of the page above the header. Please check your local guidelines for the best place to put your disclaimer. To add the disclaimer, I went to the dashboard and then Theme Editor, which can be found under Appearance. Make sure you're editing the correct theme and then find the right template to edit. I have chosen to edit the header, pasting the code from this page at the end of the head section and updating the file. If copying and pasting, then make sure you replace the quotation marks. If you have a preview of your page open, you can save the file and then click refresh. You can experiment here to get the best fit. We are only concerned with the placement of the message, as we will style it in the next video.